Hey future fluent speakers, if you feel that you understand English very well but you feel hesitant when you speak English, if you don't know that how to start speaking in English, then this is the video only for you. So be with me till the end of this video, because in this video today I'm going to give you some phrases which you can use in your Hindi and whatever the conversation, whatever the language you can use the phrases in that language and can start speaking in English. Because when you start using only some phrases and some words in your Hindi conversation, you build your confidence and get rid of the hesitation. So be with me till the end of this video and start using these phrases in your conversation from today onwards. The first phrase is here, excuse me. Now you must have heard it and maybe you use it in your conversation. But what you need to do here, if you don't use it, then you have to start using it from today onwards, okay? In public, in front of people or anywhere, wherever you want to interrupt in between a conversation or anybody, you can use this, excuse me. And if you already have been using it, then what you need to do here, you have to add a small sentence with it. Like you can say, excuse me, is this yours? Excuse me, can I take it? Excuse me, can I say something? Like this, right? And after then, you can go ahead the conversation in Hindi and it would be totally okay. When you do that, you will feel confidence in yourself. So, would you like to do that? Let me know in the comments below. The next word is sorry. Now, you must use it everywhere, right? And this is because this is very common word. But this time, what you need to do here, you have to add the reason as well. Why you are sorry. Like if you say only I'm sorry, so this time add the reason with it. Like I'm sorry for being late. I'm sorry for doing that. I'm sorry I didn't inform you. Like this you can add the reason and after then you can again go ahead the conversation in your native language. Right. Next phrase is here, could you please. This is very polite phrase. If you want to ask or if you need any help, that time you can use this phrase politely. So you can say like, could you please help me with this? Could you please tell me this address? Could you please pass me the bottle? Could you please shift a bit? Right? So this kind of phrases when you use in your Hindi conversation, you will feel confident and automatically you will feel to use more phrases and more sentences in English. The next phrase is here, would you mind? If you want somebody else to do something for you, you can use this phrase that time, politely. Would you mind opening the door? Would you mind if I sit here? Would you mind helping me with this? Like this, you can use this phrase. Again, I have very common word and common phrase that is thank you. All the time, whenever we express our gratitude, that time we use this phrase, right? Thank you, and sometimes only thanks. So this time what you need to do here, just add the reason why you are thankful. You can say thank you so much for your time, thank you so much for your help, thank you so much for being here, thank you so much for listening to me. Next phrase is here, have a nice day. When you end a conversation and want to say goodbye and bye, that time you can use this phrase instead of saying only goodbye, right? Take care and have a nice day. Like this, you can use this phrase and build your confidence. So, I hope you like this idea that how can you start speaking in English and how can you build confidence in yourself. Because if you want to learn English and if you want to be fluent in English, first of all, you have to build self-confidence. And when you achieve the small things and when you start doing something, you will automatically feel confident, right? So this time, use these phrases in your conversation and feel confident. If you like this video, then do subscribe to this channel, give it a like and share it with your friends and share your thoughts with me in the comments as well. Do I need to come up with some more phrases like this and what are the things which I need to do for you? Please let me know in the comments below. I meet you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Keep practicing, keep learning and enjoy the process of learning.